Hi, I'm Dr. Raja, and you are watching my YouTube channel ittechtrends. Today, I will configure firewall. Lab objectives are create a network topology, configure network devices, configure a router, configure firewall rules on one PC, test the functionality through PDU delivery. For this activity, I'm using Class C IP addresses. So first I will create a network topology. I need a router 1841, router switch 2960 switch. I need three pieces for this lab. So PC 0, 1 and 2. Now I will connect all those devices with the copper straight through cable. I'm using automatically PC0 with switch, PC1 with switch, PC2 to switch, and switch to a router. All the devices are connected. I want to label all those devices. I will check first the interface. This is FA04/0. So label the router. Uh, Label is FA04/0. The interface and the IP address is Class C IP address 192.168.1.1. I copy this IP address PC0 192.168.1.2 and the default gateway, which is IP address of the router interface connected to this topology 192.168.1.2 and PC1 192.168.3, PC3 192.168.4. Now I will configure all those devices first, and then we assign the rule for this. First, I will configure the PCs. So the desktop IP address 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 192.168.1. PC0, then PC1, desktop IP configuration is 192.168.1.3, subnet mask, default gateway, and the PC3, desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.4 and default gateways 192.168.1.1. All the devices are connected and configured. Now I will assign a firewall role on PC0. Uh, on the From desktop, then firewall IPv4, and the first thing is in firewall, the service must be switched on. And then the interface we have to be select a fast Ethernet 0, keep that one. We need to be define the inbound rules. The action for the first rule is deny, and we're going to deny a protocol ICMP and remote IP address 0.0.0.0 and our remote wild card mask is 255.255.255.255. We configured it. Remote IP means 0.0.0 any IP address, and then click on the add button, and the first rule we assign this is added here is a second inbound rule. We allow IP addresses and the protocol is IP, and remote IPs all IPs 0.0.0 and the remote wildcard mask is 255.255.255 and click add button. So assign the rule first, deny, and edit all information and allow. Now I will test its functionality. The functionality test which I will do is going to simulation. I will send a PDU from PC1 to PC0. So from PC1 to switch, and it's showing in progress. Sometime first time it all it's not going to be properly communicate deliver the PDU. So I will do it again. So PC1 to switch, then switch to PC0 in progress, and is failed. So it's tested that the PDU is not delivered. Now I will send a PDU from PC1 to PC2 or PC2 to PC1, anyone. I can try both PC2 to PC1, and let's see what it's showing in progress. PC2 to switch, and switch to PC2, acknowledgement back to switch, and back to PC. The first time, normal, sometime it will not proper deliver, and back to the PC. The sender send back to switch, and switch. This is successful. So this is tested that the properly delivered the communication ICMP is delivered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.